We are the sewer cats, cats of the deep dark underworld. We roam the overworld by night and strike fear in the hearts of the crafters above. Sewer cats, sewer cats, sewer cats, sewer cats.
Deep under the city we have built our home, always echoing tunnels of solid stone. Owners swapped but our simple plot still holds. They know not of us every time they think they're alone. Bring it from the surface, don't be nervous. You'll find your way back to the waters which we roam. These simple items give this space a purpose, as long as we keep on being silent and unknown.
Sewer cats, cats of the deep dark underworld. We roam the overworld by night and strike fear in the hearts of the crafters above. Sewer cats, sewer cats, sewer cats, sewer cats.
These secret bases based under skylines all connect with series of pipelines. Don't get caught cause it'll come with a price. You've only got yourself 9 lives. Bring it from the surface, don't be nervous. You'll find your way back to the waters which we roam. These simple items give this space a purpose, as long as we keep on being silent and unknown.
Sewer cats, cats of the deep dark underworld. We roam the overworld by night and strike fear in the hearts of the crafters above. Sewer cats, sewer cats, sewer cats, sewer cats, sewer cats, sewer cats, cats of the deep dark underworld. We roam the overworld by night and strike fear in the hearts of the crafters above. Sewer cats, sewer cats, sewer cats, sewer cats.
Are the sewer cats.
So, since there's more to the video, I'm just gonna talk. So, there's a dog barking, and I really don't know what to do. Yeah, there he goes. He barked again. I don't know what he's even barking at. He's just barking. It's not good. But, I had fun. I had fun with the speed paint. I love the sewer cat so much. It's just so cool, and I love it. And I had a lot of fun making Grian a bird too. It was just a lot of fun making this. The song was by Gideon again, and I hope you liked this. Bye.